It is Sunday here in Valencia, and we are out exploring again. We are here at the Valencia Cathedral, and we're going to just be out trying to see what we can see today. So let's get going. One of the best things about Valencia is that you could walk for hours and find things that you've never seen before. Everything's so beautiful, so unique, such an amazing experience. Well, this is just another example of what I was talking about. We just turned a corner and look what we stumbled on. We just walked into this little park, and it is full of orange trees, and the scent is incredible. It smells just like orange juice here. I wish you could smell what I smell, but let's keep exploring, so come on. So Valencia is a very walkable city, but if you want to get around by bus or metro or train, it's a good idea to get one of these cards. They're just €6 and you get 10 trips, and they are rechargeable. We got this one at the tobacco shop that's just behind the Central Market, and if you want to recharge it, you can come right back here and do that. So we've been walking around and finally found the Montaner Bakery. This, I believe, is part of the old Arab wall. You can see more of it from the inside, but they're not open on Sunday, so we'll have to come back later in the week and take a look at that. The Water Tribunal is one of the oldest legal institutions in Europe. It dates back to the 10th century, and it's reenacted here at the Valencia Cathedral every Thursday.
Permiso de esa señoría.
Hola, Tribunal.
Denunciadas de la sequía de Cuar. Denunciadas de la sequía de Cuar. Denunciadas de la sequía de Benacher y Faitanar.
Behind me is one of two gates that lead into the old town. We're going to go ahead and cross over the Turia and see what's on the other side. We just finished visiting one of the many art museums here in Valencia. This one is located just across the Turia from Old Town and is free every day. The Turia Gardens is one of the largest parks in Spain. It used to be the riverbed for the Turia River. In 1957, after a major flood, they redirected the Turia River just south and turned this into a beautiful greenscape for walking, biking, and all kinds of outdoor activities.
out today, got some lunch at the Panaria.
After a full day of exploring, we're headed back to the apartment. We're going to try to recreate some paella, let you know how that goes, and then get ready for another day of exploring tomorrow. See you then.